this. Okay? Is this legal? What shall we do? And the other one? Negative 2 root 5 over 5. Is everybody okay on that? Yeah? Well, what is the question given to you in? What do you think we should do with this? Put it in IJ form. Okay, and that's fairly trivial, just like we did the other one. This is going to be what? Root 5 over 5i. It's not going to be plus, it's going to be minus because of this minus sign. I mean, it's pretty kindergartenish to do something like this in high school. Yeah, you don't do stuff like that in high school anymore. Do that in kindergarten. Okay, you cannot. Well, remember IJ form was an I with a plus sign, right? So that plus sign would have come from my definition early. This minus sign comes from this guy here. So this one should have been minus 2 root 5 over 5. Yeah, hang on, let me just finish this. Okay? So your answer should be in IJ form because it gives it to you in IJ form. Unless told, give it to me in component form. Okay, unless the instructions to give you differently. Okay, Laura. Okay, if you had been in kindergarten and you were doing this stuff, you would have probably written it like this. So don't do this. Don't do that. Not in high school. Okay? Shari, question. Okay, any other questions you may go over? Mandy, you had questions? 45. 45 is what? Find the vector with the given magnitude in the same direction as u. Oh, okay. These are good questions. These are good questions. No. So number 45, they give you that the magnitude of V is equal to 8, okay? And you want a vector V that's going to be in the same direction as U. Okay? That looks like black out there, right? Doesn't it? Doesn't look like green. Yeah, I'm going to change that color again. All right, does everybody understand what they're asking you to do? So pictorially, this is what they're asking you to do, okay? So let's go say we plot the U vector, okay? So the U vector is going to look like 5 this way and 6 up that way. Here's my U vector. That's my U. But they want V to be in the same direction as U, but 8 units long. So they want it to be like this, but this has got to be 8 units long. Okay? So this is what you do. You first find a unit vector that is in the same direction as you. Okay? Awesome. What you working on? Sending me an email? Or sending someone else an email? Oh, seriously?
I want to come.
That's kind of hard to do, get the dentist appointment. Find a unit vector of U. Okay, we know how to do that. What do we do? The magnitude. What's the magnitude of U? Sorry? No, that's V, man. That's V. That's magnitude of V. Yeah, so first, convert U to a unit vector. What is the magnitude of U? Everybody there, radical 61. 5 squared plus 6 squared. Okay? Root 61. Then U prime, which is what I will call my unit vector that is in the same direction as U, is going to be equal to 5 root 61 over 61, 6 root 61 over 61. Everybody buy that? Right? From yesterday's stuff that we did. right? You take the magnitude of the vector and you divide that vector by that magnitude. You get a unit vector. Step 2. You take the magnitude that's given to you and you times it by this guy here. So in other words, it would become 8. Some of these things we haven't quite done. We're going to be doing that today. So don't feel bad if you couldn't do this yesterday, okay? And then this is going to be 40 root 61 over 61, comma 48. Okay? And then we'll talk about, I think today we'll talk about how we decide the direction of a vector. Okay? There'll be some trig in there, very, very simple trig in there. That'll tell us how you can tell whether the vectors are in the same direction or not. Okay, Laura? Okay, Manny? All right. Moving on to today's topic then. Okay, so we're going to start doing some arithmetic with vectors, okay? And before we can do any arithmetic, the most important sign in mathematics is, sorry, equal sign. Equal sign. Yeah. See, because there's a plus and then there's a minus. So how do you know whether it's plus is more important than a minus? Is a plus more important than a huh? Yeah, okay. Then what about multiplication? No. Multiplication would be multiple adds. Right? 3 times 2 would be 2 plus 2 plus 2.
It's March.
So, yeah. But sorry, no, equality. You're all equal. Okay? So, get this definition down while I pose this thing. And the definitions are given there to you. So, take a look at these 4 vectors and which ones do you think are equal? Awesome saying U and W. Anybody want to challenge her on that? Can't challenge Awesome, Ian? Yeah, you can take it down, dude. You can take it down. You sure? Do it. Arm wrestler? Sure. Ian? Okay, is everybody okay? Is everybody with Awesome on this? U and W are equal? Because minus 3 equals minus 3 and 2 equals 2.